Let's see how she does. I just want to, dude, this thing will tear your hand apart. I just want to get a better.
Strong.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't it impressive?
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, dude. Trying to do it tools in action to get it come out the side.
That'd be cool.
It would be. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today on Tools in Action, not only do you have the two tools, you have
Two tools.
two tools. Wow, that's
I
weird.
like
I'd
that.
high five you, but we got the whole COVID-19 thing going on. Seems to be dying down in certain areas. We're happy about that. Oh my, hold on one second. Hello? What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have, or no, we already started the intro.
Yeah.
All right, sorry, I had to get a phone call there. We're getting something delivered. But here
Something actually pretty cool.
What? Something
Pressure washers.
delivered? Yeah, pressure washers. I mean, if you're into that thing, pressure
I
washers.
am. I'm actually going to be cleaning my grills this week, so I do need a pressure washer. Luckily, I got
Why
one.
are you looking at me?
Well, I got one at home. I'm just saying because we were talking about pressure washers.
You know what's a good pressure washer? Honestly, a good pressure washer is one of my favorites now, is the Greenworks brushless.
Oh, the one we tested?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I use
like
it
that.
inside. I actually put it inside my garage to do my floors. It's
Oh,
pretty
nice,
amazing.
man. Nice.
Yeah, it's got good power too. You guys, welcome to the channel. If you've never been on this channel before, I feel sorry for you. Click off now and don't subscribe.
I wouldn't click off. You know how much stuff you're missing? All the good stuff.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff,
yes.
you know?
We're just two guys that like to talk tools. You know, we're not experts by any means, but hey, we just throw new tools on your radar. And today we have something very cool that's kind of been under the radar lately, which is Ridgid. You haven't seen too much from them. Remember they came out with that Octo platform, Octo, what was that stuff called? Remember?
The Octane?
No, it was the Max something. Remember?
Oh, with the head switch?
Yeah.
Yes, okay, yeah.
They came out with that. That was their last kind of big thing. But now it looks like they've gone the opposite direction and gone into compacts, you guys. This is one of the smallest impacts I've ever seen. So Eric's going to talk about the stats on these. But
There's really not a ton of stats. I mean, the biggest thing, like Dan said, these are subcompact. So the whole idea of these are small. And they are
30%.
powerful. 30% smaller. The impact driver has 18 inch-pounds of torque, and I don't know the torque off of this. I just know it's 0 to 1,750 RPM. I don't know the torque.
We were
But
able.
we used, what, an 1.5-inch spade bit?
Yep.
And we ran through it on
Speed
one, and I thought it did
It would
awesome.
do it on speed too if a spade bit didn't have the consistency to want to pull you through.
Yeah.
If we could control that, not pulling through and just go not slowly, high speed but slow on the pushing of
Yeah.
it, I think it would have got through. But since the spade bit wants to dig right away, it killed it.
And
So-
speed 2 is more for speed than torque, or 1 is more torque than speed. So, I don't know, 24 position clutch. I gotta say, I love the way they're going small.
Yeah, I do
like
too.
that.
Even their batteries look new. The fuel status gauges are looking different.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's like a whole different design on there. LED light on the front. But yeah, I mean, I cannot get over the size of this thing. I mean, literally, the battery and everything is bigger than the actual tool.
Yeah, it is. When you hold it up next to even a pop, it's like half the size of a pop can.
Yeah.
You know?
It's crazy.
It is.
I mean, to
It's insane.
get into a tight area, around a tight area, I mean, it's got this 2.0 battery looks enormous on this.
It does. It does. And I think these are great for installers. You know, HVAC, all sorts of different people are actually installing different things. This is
Yeah.
perfect. Because a lot of times you are getting in the tight spots, even cabinetry or stuff like that, putting that up.
So they've impressed us, you guys, with the power, with the size. What's the great things about Ridgid, right? They're available at your local Home Depot. They're available.
Warranty.
The warranty. Now, the warranty, I go over this with you guys every time. Don't just go in to Depot, buy this. 3 years later, something breaks or this or that, and you go in. You're not going to get that lifetime warranty. Why?
Because you have to register it within 90 days.
Yes. You have to let them know who you are. Hey, Dan and Eric, we just got this kit. We're putting it on the radar. This is our address. This is us. You know, I got to itch my eye. Why is it always you got to itch your eye? Ugh. I don't want to
good
touch
question,
it,
man.
'cause, you know,
We'll cover that in our next video.
we'll cover that in the next video.
So guys, you can pick this up at Home Depot. This whole kit. What do you think?
$199.
Price is right.
$199.
Oh wow, you hit the spot, man. Now you win both showcases.
Was it $199?
It's $199, man.
Oh wow, I didn't even see it. I didn't
good.
even know. But
That's
that's it. To me, that's good. The whole kit, because the kit includes
The two batteries, the charger, and the tools. And
Yeah,
it's a
and
great way to
honestly,
get onto that platform.
I'm liking these smaller chargers. I'm getting sick of chargers that are size of
Huge, right?
It's
Yeah.
like you don't have space for that, this or that. I mean, we're gonna go back to the days. Remember the days like the early Ryobi's, or even the Ryobi's when you get the cheap Ryobi kits and they come with a slide-on charger.
Yeah, I'm still not a big fan
I'm
of
starting to
slide-ons.
like that now. I'm starting to like that because it's easy. It just gets the job done.
You know what? For me though, it gets messy on there, and then I end up tangling them. If I actually have a charger like this, I can just set up. Boom, just set up, slide them in. That's
Yeah,
my
for the
style.
homeowner, for the contractor, you know, you store this in your truck. If you're a guy that's using Ridgid all day long, which we'll talk to Nick. Nick's going to use this stuff, and he uses this stuff all day long. He likes that big charger or that 6-pack or that whatever, you know. I don't know if that Ridgid has a 6-pack, but I know they have the dually charger.
Yeah, the dually.
Which is a pretty good. We have it over here, actually.
Yeah, and honestly, a dually charger, that's really all. If it's just yourself, that's all you need.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need the 6-pack. If you got a group, like when they came over to my electric, they had a 6-pack charger, and that was huge because they were just whipping in and out of batteries, so it was nice.
Yeah, and I mean, I think you guys, I mean, Ridgid is comparable to like DeWalt, Milwaukee, you know? I mean, that's
Without a
who
doubt.
they're going after. It's actually made by the parent company that makes Milwaukee. So, I mean, but I'm sure, you know, the difference is Milwaukee has a gazillion tools. You know what I'm saying? This doesn't have a gazillion tools. But what they do have, their small line, they're getting bigger every day, is just quality. I mean, rubber overmold on the grips, it just feels nice,
Yeah,
you know?
Hex grip.
Yep, brushless. The throttles are starting to feel better. I mean, they just feel like more smoother, more just built well to me.
They always did any like tool fight we ever had. We always never put Ridgid. Ridgid was in there, but when we picked it up, it would never be like, "Hey, we think that's going to do good," but it always finished in the
Yeah,
top.
Ridgid always like
Whether it was the radio, the drill,
and always
the
in the
impact.
beginning, it like was in the lead. We're like, what's
Yeah.
up with the Ridgid, you know? So good stuff, you guys. Let us know what you guys think. Comment below. Obviously, everybody's getting into compact now. You got the Makitas, you got everybody. DeWalt's new 12 volt, which obviously it doesn't compare with a 1820 volt.
I think you're going
But-
to see a ton more companies. Milwaukee, I know, is going to follow with this. There's going to be a lot more companies follow with it because if you got the technology to do
Well,
it,
Milwaukee already has. They have compact.
not this small. They got compact, but not like this.
Yeah,
They're
that's
small.
if they had an MPS this year, they would probably have released it.
The one thing I would like to see on here is a speed selector. So this is single speed, but you can't feather it. I don't know. I would like to have 2 speeds on it at least.
I'm not. To me, man, it's compact, it's easy, and the price is right.
Yeah, but you throw it in there because one time, like if you're doing screws as opposed to bolts and other things like that, I like having. I'm just so used to having just different speeds. So personal opinion,
Mr.
you know?
Carpenter. Sorry, dude.
Well, no, I'm just saying.
I'm just
well,
a
I don't want to always be
homeowner.
positive like you about every little thing. I got to throw a little negative in there. So that's
Why am
my
I positive
negativity,
about
you know.
everything? So we have to talk negative about things now. Okay, so let's talk about.
So
negative.
what was
You know
one
what?
thing you would like negative about it?
It's too small. I'll lose it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll lose it. They're
Yeah.
too small. I can't see them.
Yeah, you gotta be 6 feet apart from me, dude.
I did. Didn't I say something about the charger? Okay, so seriously, we're not sponsored by Ridgid in
Yeah.
any way. So I'm just trying to think of the negatives. What would the negatives be?
Of
The only
Ridgid?
negatives would be is the line is just not big enough for me. You know what I'm saying? To me, these are really cool. The only thing I don't like is how big this is now. This whole bottom
Yeah, but you
battery.
can't switch. You can't go to like a torpedo
Like these would
battery
be
or something.
killer in 12 volt to me. Killer in 12 volt.
No, I still like the 18 because now if you go to 12, now you have a different battery platform. You
Yeah,
got
no,
two
and you're
batteries
losing
around.
power.
You
I mean,
know?
I don't know what to say, dude. I think they're great for their price. I mean, that's good. We should challenge each other every video and say, okay, you have to come up with something that you don't like.
Okay.
What was
Mine's the speed on this one. Yours is what? How many tools?
You know
got
what? Here's mine. Let's put the lights up in the up in here.
But won't that make it bigger then, or no?
Oh my God, you just can't win with this guy. Peace out, you guys. Comment below. What do you like? What you don't like?
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.